Do you want to start a profitable blogging business but just don't know how to start? Well, stay with me and I'm going to be diving into one tiny but powerful tool that you can use to start generating income from your blog.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
Hi, friends, welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me. I'm Sophia from the Wealth Legacy Movement. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this one tool that you can start using in your blog to ensure that you have a profitable blog. Now, like I said, once you get started on your blog, meaning you've chosen a niche, by selecting a specific niche, a specific topic or area of interest for your blog, then you want to make sure that this is targeting a particular audience. You want to establish your expertise. This helps target a specific audience and establish your expertise. Your next step is to research and plan. Study the existing blogs in your niche to understand what works and identify any gaps or opportunities. Develop a content strategy and create a plan for your blog's growth, right? Set up your blog. Choose a domain name that aligns with your niche and purchase hosting and all of those good stuff. Install a blogging platform like WordPress, which provides a user-friendly interface for creating and maintaining and managing your content. Create valuable content. That's number 4. Create valuable content. Focus on creating high quality, engaging, and informative content that addresses your audience needs. Regularly update your blog with fresh content to keep readers coming back. Now, let me just segue into this one tool that I'm talking about, and this is the Chat GPT. Now, you can literally write a blog post every single day if you are really serious, because Chat GPT allows you to create any content in just a couple of seconds, right? But remember, what you put in, that's what you're going to put out. So let's say you want your audience to build their email list. This is what you're going to be writing in Chat GPT. Write an original article on 5 steps to building your email list. And watch what happens. It literally is going to generate the 5 steps to building your email list. And that's your blog. Just make sure that you read through to ensure that there are no errors and grammatically it is correct. And remember, the operative word in this statement that you put in ChatGPT is write an original article, right? So therefore, you're not plagiarizing or anything like that. And you can take like 5 minutes to do this and then create a lovely thumbnail, a nice image for your blog post and upload it to your website. You literally can do this once per day, right? And when you're just starting your blog, it's important to do fresh content on a regular basis. And because it's not taking you long to create or to write these blog posts, I would say go every day. Go for every day to write a blog post, because Google likes this. It really helps your SEO, because when you have fresh content, people are going to come to your website. People are going to come to your blog. And this is what you're going to do now to monetize your blog. You want to explore different monetization methods such as affiliate marketing, right? Sponsored posts, advertising, and creating and selling your own products and services, right? Make sure of all of those and those that I did not mention, you must choose strategies that align with the audience and the niche that you're in, right? The monetization strategies that you implement must be in alignment with your audience and the niche that you're in. All right? So make sure that you go take action, right? Go take action, because gone are the days when people are not able to create online businesses or to start online businesses. Those days are long gone. If you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and liking this video and spread the word about Wealth Legacy Movement to help us to grow faster, because that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. All right, for those of you who are always coming back, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Talk to you soon. More blessing, friends.